Well, it took me a while to open this camera, but I finally figured it out, and I thought I will show you. It was a little bit stuck, I think, so that's why it was a little hard. But this is a film camera, an old one, and it takes 110 film. It's a small size film that fits in a cartridge. And you just pull this, and then it opens. Kodak Ektra 200 camera. It's got a 22mm lens, and this is where you load the film. You just press this and open the place where the film goes in. So this is how it looks inside. There is a film case that goes inside. This is the size of the frame, so it's pretty small. It looks like the small cameras from the 70s spies. Okay, and this is how you arm it. This is how you shoot it. That's it. Just poop and poop. That's all. No batteries, no nothing. So this is the simplest camera that I've ever seen, and the smallest. I think here you can put a flash if you want, I believe. I see no other point for that socket there. Yeah. Otherwise, it's a nice little portable camera. I don't know if you can find the film for it. It's got this metal strip here. You can, which is nice. They used to make nice cameras back in the day. Oh, the viewfinder. The viewfinder is basic. Just a hole. Yeah. So this is the Kodak Ektra 200. Thanks for watching.